Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today I'm going to go over these two brand new fire pumps from Indian. The first one's a poly tank, 5 gallons, the other one's stainless. The advantages of both. And in addition, I'm also going to go over how to mount it on a jerry can rig. So it'll mount right on your truck like that. Alright, so here we are. We have the two different Indian backpack sprayers. The first one's stainless. Got this one on Amazon. I'll put a link to it. The stainless one, surprisingly light. That's interesting, better straps on the poly one. It's like the same size gun. There. Okay. Right hand dominant. Tighten. Lightweight plastic clip. Well, the clip looks strong, but the plastic piece, I wonder how long that'll hold up. Everybody should have these, really, if they live in wildfire area. They burn. Oh, I like that. Very nice pack system. I can walk pretty far with this. Here's a warning label. Basically it says only for water or foam fire retardants. Don't use anything else. Don't pick it up by the hose. Good warnings. Use it correctly. Stainless steel one together. A couple of hose clamps. Screen in there. Baffle down the middle. Not too much sloshing in there. guns on them are identical. Nice to keep this chain so you don't have dirt on top of it. There's a spray buckle. Screened as well. No baffle in there. I wonder if this thing will fit right on there. Oh, it will. It'll fit just like that. That's kind of cool. Then I'll fasten a bar through that bolt hole to grab on the back side of this. That's actually super cool. I really like that a lot. Nice thing about this thing bolted on right here is you don't even have to unhook it. You can just grab this off, full of water, kind of right near the truck. I'll put a quick release on this handle piece here, long bolt right here. Some sort of quick release on that. So you could get it off, just grab it off your truck like that and go to the fire. Actually, I like it for camping too. You wash your hands, clean up, fire. So I got a 10-inch piece of aluminum, 1/4 inch thick, 3/8 inch bolt. Work. Put it in there. Oh, I like that a lot. Here's my quick release nut. Oh, that looks cool. I like that a lot. That's a great place for it. So these are 5-gallon jerry cans, holders. These are custom built racks for them so you get into the back. But these are kind of a standard jerry can holder. These things work perfectly right there. You need it in a fire. You can just pull this off and use it right there if you're close enough with your truck. Or if not, you can just use that quick release nut. And then run to it, I don't know, a few seconds. I like that, that's cool. To go on every tree job. Well, I don't know. Every tree job out west. I don't know if you need this stuff back east. Maybe in Australia. Maybe for long-term use, I'll figure out a way to lock it. And maybe put a little valve right here and a quick release on that hose, like a thumb screw on that hose, so I can pull the hose and the gun off and just leave the backpack there. Alright, let me start by filling both these up and tying them out. I'm going to burn today, so I want them out there by the burn piles. Just like initial impressions right now. They both feel kind of the same way. Something about the stainless one that's really nice, especially if you're burning. I don't really want to be around any plastic at all in a heat situation. So the stainless actually looks better, probably better in a fire situation. It is over $100 more expensive. This is a stainless one. They also make a steel one. The last one I had was steel and it rusted through, but not, I mean, probably 10 years with water sitting in it. So they do last a long time. I also like how it clicks on my can rack on my truck. That's a big advantage. And another thing I like is how small it sits too. With that plastic one, it has that base that pushes it up quite a bit higher. I don't know if you can see that, probably can. This one does have the baffle. Here it is here. Sits low. Can't really get the thing off my back, but I do have a bad shoulder. That ain't the best. I do like how it sits on my belt. I don't have the belt strap on here, but it sits right on my belt there. Pretty well. Here's the other nozzle. It's comfortable. This one's very comfortable on my back. Didn't even notice it's on there. See that one better? Hose length good. Here's the poly one. Here's a nice carry handle. Nice shoulder straps. Lumbar support right here. This one has a built-in That's okay. Oh, this one I can actually reach with my bad shoulder pretty easily. That's an advantage of this one. Water works exactly the same because it's the same handle. Switchable nozzle as well. Double point. That's the second nozzle in the first one. As far as comfort goes, the stainless one's actually more comfortable, even though these pads are better. The stainless one actually hooked on my belt instead of this one with the lumbar support actually doesn't. And it actually sits right on there. So I like them both. You know, they're Indian brand. They've been doing this for a long time. They're kind of considered the standard in fire prevention. I always have one of these if I'm burning anywhere. And then tree work in the summer, I carry one of these too. I notice people are a lot more hesitant to use a fire extinguisher than to use water. I don't know why. But sometimes you just want to wet an area down, and these things are perfect for that. I think if I could only buy one, I'd buy the stainless one, unless I was trying to save money. If I was trying to save money, I get this poly one. Stainless one's more compact. It's actually more comfortable. It hangs on my jerry can thing. It'll probably hold up a lot longer. I like the way it looks, and it's just more substantial, and it'll hold up in a fire situation much better. This poly one's great, but it's kind of the economy one of the two. I guess no surprises there. So here's a burn pile right there. You can see an ember got away. It's kind of burning right there. So that's the exact same thing you don't want to use a fire extinguisher for. Looked out here. Look for this one. This is Jonathan at TopSaw. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it helped in a purchasing decision in either one of these backpack blowers. If you liked it, hit like, the bell for notifications, and subscribe if you liked it. Thank you for watching.